Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzal Dar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is Sunday, 28th of August 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT is 205.37 and with VAT is 215.64. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 188.53 and with VAT is 197.96. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 179.70 and with VAT is 188.69. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 154.03 and with VAT is 161.73. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without is 120.14 and with VAT is 126.15. 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 85.64 and with VAT is 89.92. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 51.34 and with VAT is 53.91. Remember that the VAT rate in the UAE is 5% out of 100. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and do share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.